Everyone, so today's video is going to be another haul video, and this is from a brand called Chiquelle. I think I'm pronouncing it right, or Chiquelle, however you want to pronounce it. Basically, they are a Swedish company that have recently launched in the UK on their website. They also do shipping to the UK, obviously because they've launched to do in the UK, but they do have 1 to 3 day shipping. It's not like, you know, when you order somewhere online and it's from a different country and it takes, you know, weeks and weeks to come. It does come in 1 to 3 days, which is absolutely brilliant. I do have a 15% discount code for you to use, which I will leave here, and that will be valid for 5 days after I publish this video. So make sure you go on the website, have a look, whilst the 15% discount code still works, buy yourself something. So basically, here is my little parcel. I don't even know where my address is on here, but let's just cover that up because I don't want everyone to know where I live. But yeah, here's the parcel. So let's have a delve of what's inside. So the first item that I've got is this. What is this? Red dress. Why? The dog always makes noises like I'm farting, and I'm really not, I promise. She's snoring. It's this dress, and it's like a Bardo off the shoulder one. You know, where it's sort of like, it's only attached just here, so the arms completely come off the shoulder. It's got this sort of like frill section just at the top and at the top of the arms as well, and it's long sleeved. This looks really, really short and really, really tiny. I got this in a size small. It is really stretchy, like ribbed material, so hopefully it will look okay once it's on, and hopefully it's not too short, because I'm not about that whole bum cheek hanging out life. So let's see what this looks like on. You know, I actually thought this would be too short, but it's not at all. Like, even if I stand on my tippy toes, you can literally just see the tops of my legs, and I can pull that down as well, so it, you know, it has risen up a little bit. And I actually love the fit of this. Like, it fits really nicely, like around here and on the bum, so like places where you want to be flattered the most. And then obviously it's just got the like ruffle little detailing at the top. I love dresses that go off the shoulders and tops that go off the shoulders. I think they're really flattering, and they just look, I don't know, very feminine and womanly. Like, I don't really know what I mean by that. Love the colour. I don't think you can beat a bit of red or burgundy, whatever you want to call it. I just think it's an all-round winner. Next up, I have a, what do we have? A top. So this is more or less in that same material. It's the quality of the products that I've had so far. The material's really nice. It's all soft and it's quite a thick material as well, so that's really good. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So it's a little turtleneck, polo neck. I always get confused which is which. I wouldn't say jumper, because it's not like, I don't know, maybe like a thigh jumper. Is that even a thing? But I like the colour of this. It's like a lilac-y, mauve, dusky pink sort of colour. Again, it's long sleeved and ribbed. This will just be nice to put on when it's a little bit colder outside. I got this again in a size small, but it is stretchy, so that should again fit nicely. What the lightweight knit jumper looks like on, with the little turtleneck. Again, I love the colour of this. I've just tucked it into a pair of jeans, and I think this is like the perfect transition sort of piece. I'm having to cover my nipples because they're really stuck out. It's like the perfect transition piece from winter to summer. It's still, you know, warm because it's got that long polo turtleneck and the long sleeves, so it's perfect for the colder weather, but it's not like massively thick material, so it's nice for the summer too. And like I said, I've just tucked it into my jeans. And this little package is, what is this? Okay, so this is another top. This looks absolutely humongous, so I don't know what this is going to fit. This is an extra small as well, so obviously it's small. I'm just trying to do the button up on the back so you can get the gist of what it actually looks like. Like a purpley sort of colour, and again it's got that little, what is it? Is this a turtleneck or a polo neck? I think it's a turtleneck, isn't it? But it's just a really, really baggy, like loose fitting t-shirt, and then the sleeves are quite, they're obviously I think the sleeves are going to be like how this dress is. This dress I've rolled right up, but the sleeves probably come to about here-ish. So I bet the sleeves are like the same. I've not tried any of this on, so I don't know. The back just fastens up at the top by the neck with these 3 little buttons where you know where you pull them little wiry things over the buttons. Sometimes they're a pain in the ass because of if you've got nails, you'll know. You'll just know. But you know, I don't know how this is going to look on because I'm not massively like a huge fan on really oversized items. I think I could probably roll the sleeves up like I have done on this dress and maybe tighten a knot at the front. So we'll again see what this one looks like on once I've styled it up. I wouldn't pair this outfit together, I was just, you know, anyway. So this is the like baggy oversized top when it's on. Let me just untuck it so I can actually show you how big it is. So me personally, this style does not suit me at all. Like the sleeves are just not flattering on me. I like the neck because it's high and you know sometimes I do like a high neck. So I will show you how I would style it myself. Fold these sleeves up probably quite a bit. Do you know what I've just thought as well? I really need to start wearing a bra on videos. I think because when I'm trying different outfits on, I don't know what's going to look good with a bra and what isn't. So I just choose not to wear one. But I always forget I'm on YouTube and that my nipples are probably hanging out, so yeah, ignore the nipple. In fact, no, don't ignore the nipple, free the nipple. That's what we're all about these days, right? So anyway, I'd fold the sleeves up and I could leave it like that, but I'd probably tie this front as well. There's quite a lot of extra material for me to do a good tie with. Although I'm not really good at tying knots. I need to watch a video, or someone needs to make a video on how to tie knots in the front of clothes, because look, I'm just pants, that wasn't even good, that just came straight out. But other than that, I absolutely love the colour. I think it's very wintry. I mean, I know we're going into spring, summer, but like, look how cute that looks now with the high neck and the little rolled up sleeves. I actually love it like this and I definitely would wear it. So you can really style it up yourself because it is really oversized. By the way, I know my light box at the back says Havel and not Haul. That's because I couldn't find 2 U's, so it had to go with a V and pretend it says Haul, but it actually says Havel. So this is a Chiquelle Havel. So my last item that I've got is this pair of like jogging bottoms. I have just taken them out of the wash. I've actually already worn these ones. These were the only thing that I tried on. It was really warm the other day and I needed something to just throw on. Not that these are like summery. Never mind, there's just no point to the story because they're not summery and they're not cool, like cool as in not warm, so I don't know why I put them on in the summer, to be honest with you. Anyway, they're just a basic pair of jogging bottoms. So they've got an elasticated waist and they do come up really high waisted, so they're flattering when they're on. And they've just got 2 stripes down the sides and they're cuffed at the bottom as well. These are in a size extra small again, but they have a stretchy waistband, so if you do need them to be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you can cinch them in with this little tie bit as well. This is what the joggers look like on. You can see how high-waisted they do come up, which I really like because I think it's sort of the most flattering fit on me. I personally feel like if I wear trousers down here, then I'm revealing the whole of my bits to the world. So anything high-waisted for me is a winner. And then you've got the little drawstring bits as well. I've just lowered my camera down a little bit too, just so you can see the fit of how the sides look with the stripes. And I can't really get my bottom of my legs in the camera, so but you can see how they fit. Ignore the fake tan on my toes because that's coming off, but I absolutely love the fit of these. They're so comfy and I know for a fact I'm going to be like wearing them all the time in and out of the house. The dress is just like full of dog hairs. Look at all this, for goodness sake, I'm bloody covered. Thank you for watching everyone. I will leave all the links to every item that I've mentioned in the down bar as well as my Instagram and Twitter. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these haul videos where they're just sort of like one company hauls, or do you prefer like hauls where there's like collective, you know, with loads of different brands in together. Personally, I like a one branded haul, even if they look like little mini ones, I'm not too bothered. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!